Standard 9. Mathematics Part 2. Chapter number 1. Basic Concepts in Geometry.
Introduction.
Did you recognize the adjacent picture? It is a picture of pyramids in Egypt, built 3000 years before Christian era. How the people were able to build such huge structures in so old time? It is not possible to build such huge structures without developed knowledge of geometry and engineering. The word geometry itself suggests the origin of the subject. It is generated from Greek words geo, which means earth, and metria, which means measuring. So, it can be guessed that the subject must have evolved from the need of measuring the earth, that is, land. Geometry was developed in many nations in different periods and for different construction. The first Greek mathematician, Thales, had gone to Egypt. It is said that he determined height of a pyramid by measuring its shadow and using properties of similar triangles. Ancient Indians also had deep knowledge of geometry. In Vedic period, people used geometrical properties to build altars. The book Shulva Sutra describes how to build different shapes by taking measurements with the help of a string. In course of time, the mathematicians Aryabhatta, Varahamihir, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya, and many others have given valuable contribution to the subject of geometry. Let's learn basic concept in geometry, that is, point, line, and plane. We do not define numbers. Similarly, we do not define a point, line, and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are set of points. Keep in mind that the word line is used in the sense straight line. Coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. Here, the point D on the number line denotes the number 1. So, it is said that 1 is the coordinate of point D. The point B denotes the number -3 on the line. Hence, the coordinate of point B is -3. Similarly, the coordinate of point A and E are -5 and 3 respectively. The point E is 2 units away from point D. It means the distance between points D and E is 2. Thus, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by counting the number of units. The distance between point A and B on the above number line is also 2. Now, let us see how to find distance with the help of coordinates of points. To find the distance between 2 points, consider their coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger. The coordinate of point D and E are 1 and 3 respectively. We know that 3 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between point E and D is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. The distance between E and D is denoted as distance ED. This is same as length ED. That is, the length of the segment ED. Distance ED is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Therefore, length of ED is equal to 2. Distance ED is equal to length of ED, which is equal to 2. Similarly, distance of DE is equal to 2. Distance of CD is equal to 1 minus 2 in brackets, which is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, distance of CD is equal to length of CD, which is equal to 3. Similarly, distance of DC is equal to 3. Now, let us find distance of AB. The coordinate of A is -5 and that of B is -3. -3 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to -3 minus -5 in brackets, which is equal to -3 plus 5, which is equal to 2. From the above example, it is clear that the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. Note that if the two points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Remember this. The distance between two points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. The distance between any two points is a non-negative real number.